Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something very important in life dreams and goals.
Yes, because without dreams, life feels empty. And without goals, dreams stay as dreams.
That's true. A dream is what we imagine for our future. A goal is the plan that helps us reach that dream.
So, what exactly is a dream?
A dream is something you deeply want in life. It could be becoming a doctor, starting a business, traveling the world, or helping your family.
Everyone has different dreams. Some people dream big, some dream simple, but all dreams matter.
Yes, dreams give us direction. They give us hope and motivation to move forward.
Now, what about goals?
Goals are the steps we take to reach our dreams. They are clear, specific, and realistic.
For example, if your dream is to become a doctor, your goals could be study hard in school, go to medical university, practice in a hospital.
Exactly. Dreams are the destination. Goals are the roadmap.
Why are dreams and goals so important?
Because they give our life purpose. When you have a goal, you wake up with energy and direction.
Without goals, people feel lost, lazy, or unmotivated.
Goals also help us manage time better. We stop wasting time and start focusing on what matters.
But chasing dreams is not easy.
True, there will be fear, failure, and challenges.
Some people are afraid of failing. Others are afraid of what people will say.
But failure is part of success. Every successful person failed many times before winning.
The important thing is to never give up.
Let's talk about how to set good goals.
A good goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-based.
For example, instead of saying, I want to improve my English, say, I will study English 30 minutes every day for 3 months.
That's clear and powerful. Big dreams need small daily actions.
Yes, success is built from daily habits. Wake up early, stay focused, avoid distractions, and keep learning.
Even 1% improvement every day can change your future.
Dreams make life exciting.
Goals make dreams possible.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Start small, stay consistent.
Your future is created by what you do today.
Dream big, set goals, and never stop believing in yourself. Let's talk about real-life examples. Many successful people started with nothing but a dream.
Yes, for example, some famous entrepreneurs failed many times before they succeeded.
They didn't give up because their goals were stronger than their fear.
That's a powerful lesson. Your background doesn't define your future. Your actions do.
Sometimes big dreams feel scary.
That's why we should break them into small goals.
Small goals are easier to manage and less stressful. For example, if your dream is to start a business, your first goal could be learning basic skills.
Then saving money. Then creating a simple plan.
Step by step, the dream becomes reality.
Success doesn't happen overnight.
True, it takes time, patience, and consistency.
Some days you will feel tired or unmotivated.
But those are the days that matter most, because showing up when it's hard builds real strength.
The people around you also affect your dreams.
Yes, positive people push you forward.
Negative people pull you back.
Choose friends who support your goals.
And learn from people who are already successful.
Let's talk about failure.
Many people stop because they fail once.
But failure is not the end.
It's a lesson.
Every mistake teaches you how to improve.
So don't fear failure. Use it.
How do you stay motivated?
By remembering why I started.
Your why is your fuel.
When you feel tired, think about your dream.
That will give you strength to continue.
Dreams give us direction.
Goals give us power.
Action gives us results.
Don't wait for tomorrow.
Start today.
Your future is built one decision at a time.
Dream big.
Work hard.
And never stop believing.
Let's talk about mindset. Your mindset decides how far you go.
Yes, if you believe you can succeed, you will try harder.
But if you believe you will fail, you may never even start.
A strong mindset helps you stay positive even when things go wrong.
Success starts in the mind before it happens in real life.
Dreams also need discipline.
True, you must use your time wisely.
Waking up early, planning your day, and avoiding distractions are very important.
Discipline means doing what is hard now so life can be easy later.
Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays.
People who achieve their dreams never stop learning.
They read books, watch educational videos, and learn from others.
Knowledge gives you power.
And power helps you move closer to your goals.
Every new skill is a step toward your dream.
Many people have great ideas, but only a few take action.
Ideas without action are just dreams.
Action turns dreams into reality.
Even small actions matter. A small step today is better than a big plan tomorrow.
Excuses stop many people.
I'm too busy.
I'm too tired.
I'll start later.
But successful people don't wait for perfect conditions.
They start with what they have.
Progress is more important than perfection.
Growth happens when you challenge yourself.
Doing uncomfortable things makes you stronger.
Comfort zones feel safe, but nothing grows there.
Growth begins where comfort ends. Self-belief is powerful.
Even when others doubt you, you must believe in yourself.
Your dream is your responsibility.
And your future is in your hands.
Everyone has a dream.
But not everyone has the courage to chase it.
Be the person who tries.
Be the person who grows.
Be the person who never gives up.
Your dreams are waiting for you.
Go after them.
One step at a time.